Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who creates content, runs a business, or just wants to make videos that actually grab attention without breaking the bank, you're going to love what I'm about to show you today. So I came across this tool called HumanPal 2.0, and honestly, it blew me away. I've tried tons of video apps over the years, from AI talking avatars to drag and drop editors, but most of them either feel stiff, robotic, or just plain fake. HumanPal is different. This thing lets you create videos using ultra-realistic digital humans that actually look and sound like real people. They're walking, standing, moving naturally, and even lip-syncing to whatever you type. It's wild. What's even cooler is that you don't need any cameras, microphones, green screens, or even voice actors. You literally type your script, pick a human avatar, choose a voice, and boom, your professional video is ready in just minutes. You can use it for YouTube, TikTok, training videos, sales letters, or even client projects. The possibilities are huge. One of the first things that caught my attention was just how lifelike the avatars are. They don't just stand there like mannequins. They actually move. Their body language is dynamic, their expressions are convincing, and their voices sound natural. You can choose from hundreds of real human-sounding text-to-speech voices, male, female, different tones and accents, and you can even upload your own voice if you want that personal touch. Another feature I really appreciate is the ability to take a simple photo and turn it into a talking human avatar. That means you can literally create a digital spokesperson just from a still image. Or, if you don't have a photo, the AI generator can help you create one. It's great for branding, marketing, and personalizing your content without being on camera yourself. The built-in video editor is drag and drop easy, but still really powerful. You can work with video templates, add subtitles and captions, and even translate your videos into different languages with a single click. That's a game changer if you're trying to reach a global audience. No more hiring translators or using clunky software to add multilingual support. HumanPal handles it for you. And here's something most people miss. There's no subscription fee. You pay once and get access for life. No monthly charges. No hidden upsells. That means unlimited videos, unlimited characters, unlimited voiceovers. If you're like me and tired of paying monthly just to keep your tools active, this part alone makes it worth checking out. Now, for anyone who's into freelancing or running a content agency, this is where things get really interesting. HumanPal includes a full commercial license. That means you can create and sell videos to clients on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and keep all the profits. With the quality of videos you can make on this platform, it's not hard to charge a few $100s per project. You could literally make your money back in a single sale. And they're throwing in a massive set of bonuses when you grab access. I'm talking about extra apps like a mock-up video creator, a video resizer with upgrades, even a drag-and-drop website builder, and a niche dashboard with ready-made marketing content. There's a mentorship group, sales scripts, call-to-action voiceovers, and more. The total value is in the thousands, and you get to keep all of it, even if you decide to refund later, which I thought was a pretty bold guarantee. But here's the thing. Tools like this don't stay at their launch price for long. With the kind of demand this is getting, the special pricing might disappear without warning. So if you've been on the fence about creating content or scaling your video marketing, now's the perfect time to act. Anyway, that's my deep dive into HumanPal 2.0. I've been testing it, and so far I'm really impressed. The videos look polished, the workflow is smooth, and the creative freedom is next level. If you're serious about saving time and creating content that actually connects with people, this is definitely something to check out. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'd want to make with HumanPal, or if you want a full tutorial, I'll be happy to put one together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.